We'll start at the back of our mats. Feet hips width. Hands to heart center. Grounding in with your breath. Full breath in together. Open mouth exhale. One more like that. Fully in. Open mouth, let it go. On your next inhale, sweep your arms high overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Interlace your fingers and take your wrists on a figure 8 motion. Get both directions. Big circles. Next breath in, arms sweep up and bind your left wrist. Exhale, lean to the right, fully out, reach. Inhale back to center, switch it, length. Exhale to the left, reach. Inhale back to center. Exhale, swan dive all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Interlace your elbows. Exhale, forward fold, ragdoll, let it go. Option to sway or bob. A little decompression to start. One more full breath. And release your bind. Take a halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, crawl forward to plank and hold for a breath. Little micro shift, side to side. Little back forth. And drop to your knees. Neutral table. Inhale, cow pose. Open up, drop the belly. Exhale, cat pose. Tuck your chin round your spine. Inhale, cow. Open up, spinal extension. Exhale, cat. Round it out. Flexion. Couple more on your own breath. Add some free movement if you like. Whatever's calling. I'm here for a few more deep rounds of breath. Feel breath to movement. Last, inhale, gaze up, tuck your toes. Exhale, hips high, down dog. Walk out your dog, get a little bit more length. Option to rise to your toes or shift your heels side to side. 2 more breaths here. And settle into your down dog. Breath in. Breath out. Shift your gaze forward, top of your mat. And slowly walk your way up. Feet to touch this time. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, gaze to navel squeeze. Inhale, rise to stand, arms sweep up. Exhale, hands to heart center, full breath out. Inhale, arms reach high, bind the left wrist. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale, back to center, switch it. Exhale to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, add a cactus. Open up, lift your heart. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, sit down, chair pose. Hips low. Breathe. Here for a few. Pelvic floor engaged. Core tight. Chin tucked. Gaze up. Breath in. Breath out. One more breath. Stay here for the exhale. Inhale to stand. Reach up. Exhale, cactus. Open up deeper. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, chair. Add a twist to the left. Left arm back, right arm forward. Pull your right hip back just a bit. Stay square. Find length, crown. Shift your gaze back. One more breath. Next, inhale, back to center. Stand tall, reach high. Exhale, chair, twist to the right. Right arm back, left arm forward. Get that length, breath in. Work the twist, breath out. Keep the hips square, left hip back. One more breath. Next, inhale, back to center, arms reach high. Exhale, swan dive all the way. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Drop to your knees. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose, round it out. One more breath in, gaze up, tuck toes. Exhale, hips high, down dog. 2 breaths here. Ujjayi, one more. Let it go. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, walk or hop. Feet, hips width distance. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, step your right foot back to low lunge. Ground your right hand or fist. A little twist. Inhale, left arm high. Exhale, back down. 2 more like that. Inhale, the twist. Exhale, lower. Last one. Inhale, twist. Exhale, back down. Ground your back heel. Setting up warrior 1. Arms high. Get enough length in that warrior 1 to feel a stretch in your legs. Enough width with that foot placement to keep your hips square. Left hip, pull it back. Breathe. Arms high. Tuck your chin. Refocus your gaze straight ahead. Just 2 more breaths here. Palms face in. Drop your shoulders. Last breath. Gaze up. Breath in. Exhale, cactus your arms, open up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, warrior plane. Lower body stays the same. Upper body, airplane, crown forward. Option to shorten your stance a bit. Stack that front knee over ankle. Breathe. Now interlace your hands behind your lower back. Next, inhale, straighten that front leg, gaze up, open up. And exhale, humble warrior, rebend that left knee. Let it go, head heavy, hinge from your hips. Breathe, just a couple here. Opening up through the chest, feel that expansion. 1 more breath into your heart. And release your bind, ground your hands. Step your right foot to the front of your mat. And step your left foot to the back, low lunge. Setting up that same simple twist. Inhale, right arm high. Exhale, back down. 2 more. Inhale the twist, keep the pace. Exhale, just as slow, back down. 1 more. Inhale, twist. Exhale, back down. Ground the back heel. Warrior 1. When you're ready, make those micro adjustments, getting the appropriate length and width. Avoid that tightrope, thinking train tracks with your feet wide. Settle in. Squeeze your thighs, breathe, pull your right hip back, get that length through your crown as you drop your shoulders. Focused gaze, focused breath. 2 more. Last breath. Next inhale, gaze up. Exhale, cactus out, open up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, warrior plane. Option to shorten your stance a little bit. Knee over ankle. Active reach back. Active length forward. One more breath. Now interlace hands behind your back. Inhale, straight legs, gaze up, open up. Exhale, humble warrior, get it. Rebend that right knee. Hinge from your hips. Stay with your breath, just a couple more. Last full breath into your chest. And release your bind. Step that right foot back to plank. And take side plank, left hand down, right arm high. Option to drop that base knee. Right arm high, or you could reach it forward, bicep to ear. Getting some lateral stretching. One more breath. And back to neutral plank. And switch it right hand down, left arm high. Option to drop that base knee, arm high. Or bicep to ear, reach forward, active reach. One more breath. And reground that left hand. Drop to your knees. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, child's pose. Hips back. Walk your arms out. Ground your head. Check in with your heart. One more full breath. And slowly lift yourself up. Hero's pose, knees to touch. Long spine. Hands to heart center. Full breath in together. Open mouth, let it go. One more breath like that, fully in. Empty out. And hands to heart center. Hands to third eye. And we bow. Namaste. Thanks for joining. See you on the next one. Yay!